Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are making dialogue here. We'll practice the words we learn. But first, before start the lesson, if you want to support me, you can subscribe to my channel and you can inform your friends who are interested in learning Chinese. And you should solve the uh, quiz here. I'm asking the characters' meaning and their tones. Okay, let's start the lesson. First, I will translate this dialogue. Later, I will write. Okay, and we have two persons here. They are talking each other. One of them is Da Wei, Da Wei, Da Wei. Other one is Zhang Lao Shi, Zhang Lao Shi, Zhang teacher, teacher Zhang. Okay, Da Wei said, 老师您贵姓？老师您贵姓？贵姓？老师 teacher 您贵姓 May I know your name? May I know your name? It's a respectful form to ask someone his name. 老师您贵姓 Teacher, may I know your name? And Zhang 老师 say 我姓张，我姓张，我姓张。My surname is Zhang. 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？What's your name? It's an informal form to ask someone's name. 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？What's your name? And the way I answer like 我叫大卫，我叫大卫，我叫大卫。My name is 大卫。My name is 大卫。And 他姓什么？他姓什么？ And what is her name? Her surname. Xing means surname. What's her surname? And here, this one is teacher. This one is David. And here there is a girl, but you don't see her clearly because of the webcam. And the way ask 她姓什么? What's her surname? So 张老师 answer 她姓王，她姓王。Her surname is Wang. And the way ask again 她是老师吗？她是老师吗？Is she a teacher? Is she a teacher? 她是老师吗？ Is she a teacher? And the last sentence here. 她不是老师，她是学生。她不是老师，她是学生。She is not a teacher. 她不是老师。She is not a teacher. 她是学生。她是学生。She is a student. Okay. The dialogue is like this. Now I will write the sentence. Okay, like this. Okay. First we have two names here. Da Wei. Da Wei. Da Wei. Da Wei. And Zhang 老师. Zhang first one. 老师老师 Lao is third one, 师 is first one, 老师 Da Wei 张老师. Okay, these are our names, our speakers. And 老师您贵姓? 老师老师老师您老师您贵 for tone here 贵姓贵姓您贵姓 Teacher, may I know your name? And let's paste the other sentence. 我姓张，我姓张。我姓张，我姓张。My surname is 张，我姓张。My surname is 张。And 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ What's your name? 你叫什么名字？名字你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ What's your name? Okay. 我叫大卫。我叫大卫。My name is David. My name is David. 我叫大卫。我叫大卫。My name is David. 我叫大卫。他姓什么？他姓什么？他姓什么？什么？他姓什么？What is her surname? What's her surname? 他姓什么 ？OK， 他姓王。他姓王。他姓王。他姓王。Her surname is Wang. Her surname is Wang. And here. 他是老师吗？他是老师吗？他是 老师吗？老师，老师吗？吗？他是老师吗？Is she a teacher? Is she a teacher? 她是老师吗？And the final sentence here. Yeah. 她不是老师，她不是老师，她是学生。She is not a teacher. She is a student. 她不 is fourth tone. Original tone is fourth tone, but here becomes the second tone. 她不是 fourth tone. 老师 third tone. 老师，他不是老师。This become the second one. 不是，不是，他不是老师，他不是老师。She is not a teacher. And 他是学生，他是学生。I will write here. 他是，他是学学学生学生，他是学生，他是学生。She is a teacher, a student. She is not a teacher. She is a student. 她不是学生，她不是老师，她是学生。She is not a teacher. She is a student. Okay guys, I hope the video helps you to improve your Chinese. If you have any question, you can write on comment section and I will answer that. If it is complicated, I can make a new video. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next video.